Max, are you coming to the Christmas party?
Bah! Humbug!
He was the grumpiest editor alive.
With AI as my puppet, I never have to stop work.
Careful. One day you'll be the puppet.
AI was his only friend.
Things are so efficient now, I'll never stop. I'll never stop working!
For this Scrooge to learn the value of community, it's gonna take some Christmas magic.
The whole office is puppets? If you ask me, this party is better without Matt.
Aha! Look at how much fun they're having.
Don't touch me.
It's Charles Dickens' classic tale, as only Backflip can tell it.
Wait, Phil? Are you dead?
No, I just don't work here anymore.
This is the movie to see.
Stop! Hannah?
I am the ghost of Christmas past. Pretty cool, huh?
To share.
Who's that?
That's small-sized Scott. Ever since the automation and AI, people are forgetting how to use a helping hand.
To cherish. More about death than you would think.
So that's me? As a puppet?
Yeah, you did. Fun for the whole family.
I can't wait till next year, where we can collaborate together.
God bless us, everyone.
A Backflip Puppet Christmas.
So some of us are still puppets now?